Guided access locks your iPhone into a single app. Here's how to set it up and why it's more useful than most people realize. Go to Settings, then Accessibility. Scroll down and tap Guided Access. Turn it on. Then tap Passcode Settings and set a guided access passcode. You can also enable Face ID to end sessions if you prefer. Now, let's actually use it. Open the app you want to lock the phone into, then triple-click the side button. A guided access setup screen appears. Tap Start to lock it immediately, or configure it first by drawing circles around areas you want to disable. Those areas become unresponsive during the session, which is useful for disabling buttons, ads, or navigation controls. There are also some useful options worth knowing before you start. Before tapping Start, tap Session Settings in bottom. Here you can disable the sleep wake button, disable the volume buttons, turn off touch entirely, or set a time limit so guided access automatically ends after a set duration. And when you're ready to end the session, triple-click the side button again. Enter your passcode or use Face ID if you enabled it. Then tap in the top left corner to return to the normal phone. Here are 3 situations where guided access comes in handy. Handing your phone to a child? Lock it to one game or video and disable everything else. Running a presentation or kiosk display? Lock it to your slides or a specific web page with touch disabled. Letting someone use a calculator or map? Give them access to that app without giving them access to the rest of your phone. Once you use guided access once, you'll find more situations where it's perfect. Subscribe for more iPhone tips.